All right, quick question. How do you stop a cyber attack you can't even see yet? Today, I'm breaking down two powerhouse ideas that help teams do exactly that: threat intelligence and threat hunting. Hook first. Imagine you're a lifeguard. Threat intelligence is the weather report, the tide charts, shark alerts. Threat hunting? That's you scanning the water, actively looking for the fin before anyone screams. Both matter. Both save lives. Well, data. Let's start with threat intelligence. In simple terms, it's curated knowledge about bad actors, their tools, techniques, and the indicators they leave behind, like suspicious domains, file hashes, or IPs. Good intel answers three questions. Who might attack me? How will they do it? And what should I watch for? There are three layers of intel. Strategic big-picture trends, like ransomware targeting healthcare this quarter. Operational campaign-level details. This group loves phishing with fake MFA prompts. Tactical, the nitty-gritty. Specific IOCs, YARA rules, and detection signatures. Great intel is timely, relevant, and actionable. If it doesn't change a decision, block, alert, patch, train, it's trivia. Now, threat hunting. Hunting flips the script. Instead of waiting for alerts, I assume the network is already compromised and proactively look for the faint signals we missed. Think hypotheses over hope. A simple hunting workflow looks like this. 1. Form a hypothesis. If attackers used living off the land, I'll see unusual PowerShell from non-admin accounts. 1. Gather data, endpoint telemetry, DNS logs, auth events, EDR, SIEM. 1. Query and pivot, filter by parent processes, time windows, rare events, lateral movement patterns. 1. Validate, separate weird from malicious, enrich with intel, and test in a lab if needed. 1. Act, escalate, contain, write detections, and document what you learned. Here's the comparison that matters. Threat intelligence is outside in. It brings the world to you. New TTPs, actor profiles, indicators. Threat hunting is inside out. You interrogate your environment for evidence of those TTPs. Intel feeds the hunt. Hunts generate new intel. It's a feedback loop. Let me give you a quick practical example. Intel says a phishing campaign is using OAuth consent grants to steal email. I build a hunt. Show me first-time OAuth grants from unapproved publishers, plus sudden mailbox forwarding rules. I detect a pattern, confirm with sign-in logs and device fingerprints, then revoke tokens, force reset, tune detections, and update user training. That's the loop in action. Tools? Keep it simple to start. Sources for Intel vendor feeds, ISACs, open source reports, MITRE, ATT&CK to map techniques. For hunting, your SIEM EDR endpoint logs, DNS queries, authentication data. Fancy helps, discipline wins. Common pitfalls: chasing raw IOCs without context. They expire fast. Boiling the ocean, hunt with a question, not a vibe. No measurement. Track dwell time reduced, detections created, false positives lowered. If you're new, start here this week. Pick one Intel report. Extract 3 techniques and 1 IOC set. Translate one technique into a concrete query, like rare parent-child process pairs or impossible travel logins. Validate on test data. If it works, document it and automate the alert. Remember, security isn't a fortress, it's a habit. Threat intelligence keeps you informed. Threat hunting keeps you honest. Together, they make you resilient. If this helped, tap like, subscribe for the next lesson, and drop a comment with one hunt you're planning to run this month. And hey, share this with the one friend who still clicks Enable Macros. See you in the next module.